The global markets continue to remain uncertain with the onset of the next wave of the pandemic. Though the same is not severe in parts of US and Europe, there are certain countries which are getting affected and there are uncertainties. As far as Indian markets are concerned, the same is on tenterhooks. The COVID second wave has hit India badly, and we are all scrambling to salvage the situation. Markets have been extremely uncertain and volatile over the last few trading sessions, while the bulls continue to remain positive and every dip is considered as a buying opportunity. There is significant selling pressure as well from both domestic and international investors, which is leading to the price erosion and the index coming down. This will continue for some time till the time there is a visible arrest in the numbers of COVID cases. We believe that, as per the experts, the second wave doesn't continue for very long. It peaks quickly. And if the same happens for India as well, we may look at a sharp recovery post this phase. Considering the sharp correction in valuations we have seen over the last few days, we strongly believe investors who have a slightly longer term horizon should definitely look at buying into good quality stocks, taking the opportunity of this dip. They should remember what happened last March, April. There was a massive dip, and post that there was an unprecedented rally. We believe the history can repeat itself, and we should be cognizant of the possibility of very quick recovery of the markets as and when there is a silver lining to this second COVID wave. Good quality scripts like Reliance, which has come below 2000, Larsen Toubro, which has come below 1400, definitely deserves investors' attention. Apart from these economy facing stocks, we believe that IT continues to remain in a secular re-rating mood. IT companies' performance have been remarkably good, and we believe this performance improvement and re-rating in the markets will continue in the foreseeable future. Good quality IT companies, both large cap and mid cap, can be picked up by the investors. Pharma is another sector which, after being mildly negative for some time, has started picking up again. We again believe that Indian pharma is going through a secular uptrend. It will take little time, but Indian pharma is definitely going to do well. The large cap pharma companies and mid cap pharma companies having a balanced business mix between India and global markets would do well. And investors can definitely look at picking up these stocks for their portfolio. There are multiple other economy facing sectors, whether it's cement, steel, other metals, which are doing well and may continue well in the near future. Investors should take the opportunity and start accumulating these stocks in the taking opportunity of the current market volatility and downturn. We continue to remain positive and maintain our strong positive bias for the markets in the medium to long term.